Hi there guys, it's Tom Voyage here and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be cooking a vegan pizza on the Ooni Karu 16. So, vegan pizza. Now, it's something that personally I've never tried before, so I'm quite interested to test this out today. Now, before we get started, if you're enjoying this video, please remember to like and subscribe. I've got tons of videos on Ooni pizza ovens, pizza oven reviews, and lots of recipes as well, so be sure to check those out. So the idea for today's video came because we've got some friends coming over soon who are vegans, and they wanted to join us in a pizza party. So in our pizza today, we're going to be using a mozzarella substitute called mozzarella. It's 100% vegan, and it's obtained from sprouted brown rice. It also says it's organic, animal derivatives free, allergens free, gluten free, lactose free and soy free. Now, one of my favourite pizza toppings is nduja, and I actually found this Vduja nduja vegan paste. So this is from a company called Belazu, and the ingredients are red peppers, coconut oil, haricot beans, Italian hot chili peppers, paprika, sunflower oil, salt, wine vinegar, extra virgin olive oil and lemon juice. Now, if you'd like to get your hands on any of these products, including the Ooni Karu 16 here, please check the links in the description below. It doesn't cost you any more money, but it helps me out with a bit of commission so I can carry on making videos like this in the future. Right, let's get these bad boys on a pizza. So the dough balls we'll be using today are these from Ooni. These are a gluten-free, pre-frozen dough ball. I will put a link to these in the description. They're a really good option if you haven't got time to make the dough. You just defrost them, bring them up to room temperature, and they're ready to go. So we've got our mozzarella. Let's see what this looks like. Look, it comes in like a little sausage. So here's our vegan mozzarella. It certainly doesn't look like normal mozzarella. Feels a similar consistency though. Cut it into a few slices. So it's a funny kind of off-white colour. So now let's add our nduja, or our Vduja as it's called. This actually looks really similar to normal nduja. It's a very similar consistency too, maybe just not as oily, which kind of makes sense. It smells like nduja as well. Okay, let's see how this vegan and gluten-free dough cooks on the Ooni Karu. So our Ooni Karu 16 is up to temperature. I've decided to cook at a little bit lower temperature just because this is a new dough to me and I'm not sure how it's going to perform. So I've gone with a pizza oven temperature of about 400 degrees centigrade. Okay, well it launched all right, so let's hope for the best. Okay, let's give it a turn. This crust is actually looking really, really good. I'm impressed so far. So that, to me, looks just about done. That looks really, really good, actually. The crust feels nice. Definite nice base on there. So let's slice this up and see how it tastes. So I was actually really impressed with the way this cooked, but it's not about the way it cooks, it's about the way it tastes. So let's see if this pizza lover can be swayed by a vegan pizza. tell you what, actually that is really, really good. The mozzarella cheese is a little bit more like a cream cheese. It's got a kind of yogurty texture rather than that bite of a mozzarella. As soon as it came out the oven, it's kind of soft and squishy and reminds me of that cheese that comes in a tube, that squeezy cheese. But after we've been stood here talking, it's hardened up a little bit like when you reheat pizza the morning after. Now, the Induja I was most skeptical about, but really that's my favourite thing on this pizza. The Induja, or Vduja as I should say, reminds me of that red pepper dip called ajvar. It's like a spicy version of that sauce and it's drier. So the pizza base itself hasn't puffed up as much as I usually like. I guess that's because it's a gluten-free base, but it still tastes really, really good. So overall, I'm very, very impressed. Am I converted to a vegan? Well, not quite, but this is one step closer for sure. Thanks very much for checking out this video. If you wanted to purchase any of these products that we've mentioned in the video, you can check the links in the description below. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments section and we'll join you next time for more pizza making videos.